Embark on a thrilling odyssey of academic excellence in the heart of Dallas, where Atlantic Highland Park student accommodation promises an experience that defies the ordinary. Nestled among the city's elite student residences, the Atlantic Highland Park offers an array of diverse living options, from upscale studios to expansive 1, 2, and 3-bedroom apartments, all adorned with top-tier furnishings, including plush mattresses, spacious wardrobes, complimentary Wi-Fi, full-size washer/dryer, renovated private bathrooms with luxurious finishes, and gourmet kitchens that are truly state-of-the-art. Fancy a cinematic escapade or a casual hangout? The stylish clubhouse is your go-to spot. And for those craving the sizzle of a summer barbecue, head to the outdoor summer kitchens with grilling stations for a flavor-packed experience, while the 2 resort-inspired pools with sun decks invite you to soak up the sun in style. Worried about making it to lectures on time? Fear not, as the property is just a brisk 15-minute drive away from Southern Methodist University and El Centro College. When it's time to socialize, explore the vibrant neighborhood with enticing options like Social Pie and Blues Burgers, offering the perfect backdrop for memorable moments with friends. Don't miss out on this extraordinary living experience. Secure your room at the Atlantic Highland Park student accommodation now through amberstudent.com.